Hi there, roadies. I hope you've been enjoying our cruise pictures that we've been sharing with you these past few weeks. Today, I am sharing with you our stop in Cartagena, Colombia. That was an amazing trip, that shore trip. It was fantabulous. It was one of our favorites. And you'll see why when you see that it's practically an 8-minute long video. The architecture was absolutely amazing. The scenery was gorgeous and beautiful. It wasn't all that hot. We really enjoyed the sights and the history involved with that part of the world. You'll see parts of a building that was part of the Spanish Inquisition. It was kind of a prison holding building where they kept people prisoner, and so you'll see like a guillotine, and they had a cannon there, and it was just fantastic stuff to see. You'll see the beautiful architecture in the buildings, how narrow the streets were and still are to this day, where not all vehicles can get down them, so they're walk-only type streets. You'll see just a snippet of the building of the Colosseum where they still actually do bullfighting in it. We just kind of went past it on the tour bus, and so that was the only picture I was able to really get a good shot of. And you'll see parts of the wall that still border around that part of the old city that was built back in the day when they were trying to protect themselves from the people invading their country during the Spanish Wars and all that back in, way back when. The fort that's in the middle of the city was absolutely fascinating to see, and so you'll see a few pictures of that. However, I wanted to share with you that when we went to see the movie that Will Smith did called Gemini Man, they actually did some car chases and stuff like that through the city of Cartagena, and we saw the buildings and streets that we were actually on, and even Summer got all excited, and she said, "Mom, look, we saw that, we were there." And she was just all excited to actually see it up on the big screen and to be able to remember that time and to be able to put it in perspective of seeing it up on the movie screen and her actually being there. So that was kind of a special experience for us to do that. And so you're just going to see all the beautiful pictures compared to last week when I forgot to get out my camera at times, where the movie was only a minute and a half long. You see how excited I was about this stop. The scenery and the sights were just so beautiful I couldn't stop clicking the camera. Summer, are you going to say hi to everybody? Yes, you are, Summer. Yes, you are 5. Yep. Good job. She has been learning to spell her name and is doing a great job, as you can tell. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the beautiful sights of Cartagena. And stay tuned for next week when we will be in Panama. So remember to subscribe if you want to see more of our cruise trip, and like and share with your family and friends, and ring that bell. And we'll see you next week. Bye-bye. Hello, I'm Lee.
And I'm Wally.
And this is Summer. And we are 3 for the Road RV.